What up, though?
Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog, and today we're gonna do a little something like this. We are celebrating our 7-year marriage anniversary. I can't believe that. That's just so crazy. And this is just going through our weekend. It was super chill because we had a lot going on, and so we just rested mainly. But you're gonna go through kind of some of what we got to do and see. It's the 4th of July, so we start off with some fireworks that we could see off the rooftop. It was beautiful, and it was just so amazing to just sit still. And it just reminds me, be still and know I am God. And I think in these moments I feel that the most, because I'm able to just truly not worry about striving what I need to do next, but I get to just sit still and see all the amazing things that God has blessed me with, and just the fact that I have breath in my lungs and I have an amazing husband, and I'm just grateful for this life. And so you will see. And now we are in the next morning, and I am getting ready. And you don't see D-Lo getting ready, but I just thought I'd show you in my little purse. I thought I'd switch out to this other little black one. And yeah, so I went to Lush Nail Bar in Atlantic Station, and it was really a great experience. It was nice on the inside, not too much, not too less. It was just super nice. I got my feet and nails done, did a pedicure. You're gonna see that on here as well. It just felt really good because I haven't had a pedicure in a really long time, maybe a year, maybe last anniversary or something like that. So it was nice to just settle down. There you go. You got 99 problems. That's the one I got. And then I also, like I said, got my nails done, and you see them here, and you already know, milk and honey. Hey, yep. I had to, do something that just represents what my life is all about. But yeah, you see my hands here, and for the rest of the video, I'm probably going to let it mainly play. I may pop back in, D-Lo might pop in, but there's a little market happening outside, so we just walked it and just enjoyed time, made memories, and I found him as I was trying to finish up my nails and all the things. But I hope you enjoy the video. beautiful surprise in our day was that we got to meet someone from 2819. It was super cool. She had her booth set up. It was so nice. Y'all need to go out and see her at Atlantic Station. I believe her name is DAndrea, and you'll see her her sign in the video as well, and also we'll drop it below.
All right, so the cool thing about Atlantic Station is they do have a few different food options, a lot of different little booths. So the place that we decided to stop at was called Hobnob. I do not remember what it mean, but yeah, kind of cool though. But as y'all seen when you first come in, they got some games on the wall. We did not play a game. As y'all can see, we definitely did not sit outside. It was way too hot. Yeah, definitely need an indoor table, air conditioning. But yeah though, had games on the wall. Cool spot to just kind of sit. You still get that outdoor feeling. You can see everything outside. They had a pretty well-rounded menu. Definitely order a lot of different stuff here. Definitely had to stay hydrated. Water with lemon. Jordan and her Diet Coke. But cool little atmosphere. It was awkwardly kind of packed for the time of day it was. So that's always actually a good sign. A whole bunch of people in there. Should tell you that the food kind of good. Again, it's definitely a whole lot to do. This little open area right there outside, they typically do a few different little events. Jordan ended up getting the chicken strips with the fries, got the fish and chips. We're gonna ignore the fact that we have to call it chips whenever it's with fish, but for her it was chicken fingers and fries, and that portion of our plate is the same, but that doesn't matter. Don't she look good? So, yeah, getting into it though. There goes the beautiful Jordan again. But yeah, Hobnob. It was a cool little experience. The food was definitely good. Fish and chips, nice and crispy, hot, seasoned.